Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best cross-stitch kit with pattern you can get your hands on, the Kraftex stamped cross-stitch kits for beginners, Flower Theme Edition. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to unwind with something creative, this all-in-one kit is designed to make your embroidery journey simple, enjoyable, and truly rewarding. Let's open it up. Inside the kit, you'll find 4 pre-stamped floral embroidery patterns: poppy, rose, sunflower, and pansy, each sized at 6.75 by 6.75 inches. Along with those, you get a sturdy 4.7-inch embroidery hoop, 4 thread cards, 4 needles, and a set of easy-to-follow instructions. Just open and begin. This kit is tailor-made for beginners. The pre-stamped fabric means you don't have to deal with complex charts or counting threads. The ink washes out after you're done, so you're left with clean, beautiful stitchwork. It's a great way to fast-track your skills if you're just getting into needlepoint or embroidery. You'll learn basic techniques and build your confidence stitch by stitch. What makes these designs stand out? They're vibrant, whimsical, and genuinely fun to work on. Whether you're finishing a cheerful poppy or a soft sunflower, each piece feels like a small work of art. And once you're done, these are perfect to frame or hang. Imagine them in a nursery, a cozy reading nook, or even a hallway. The colors and patterns bring life to any space. This kit is a great choice. You can either give it as a complete kit to a crafty friend, or stitch the pieces yourself and gift the finished designs. Handmade gifts are always more meaningful, and these designs are sure to charm anyone who receives them. And it's not just about the end result. The process of stitching itself is therapeutic. It helps you slow down, focus, and take a break from the busyness of daily life. Many people use embroidery as a form of meditation or stress relief, and this kit is a great way to tap into that calm, creative space. The Kraftex Floral Cross-Stitch Kit is more than just a hobby starter. It's a gateway into the world of handmade art. With its ease of use, beautiful patterns, and complete kit setup, it stands out as the ideal starting point for anyone curious about cross-stitching. Plus, with a satisfaction guarantee, you can buy it with confidence knowing that you're supported every step of the way. So if you're ready to start a new creative hobby or gift someone a meaningful craft experience, check out the Kraftex Stamped Cross-Stitch Kit. You'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a hands-on critique from Product Critique. See you in the next one.